ingredients. Please take a screenshot. For our first step, put the flour in the bowl. Woo! Next, we're gonna put the baking powder. Second, we're gonna put the sugar. Next, we're gonna put the oil. And now let's put the salt. Yeah. Now it's time to put the water. Mix well until it sticks together and it becomes a dough. Put the garlic and saute it for 10 seconds. Next, put the ground beef and continue it to saute it. Toyo, oyster sauce, black pepper, brown sugar. Continue cooking on a high flame setting until the sugar dissolves. Now let's make our shawarma sauce. Let's put the mayonnaise, vinegar, brown sugar, black pepper, chopped of garlic, pinch of salt, water. Mix well! Time to cook our pita bread. Cook the desired amount of dough and create our preferred size of pita bread. Time for cooking! Now you can enjoy your own version of Shawarma ALA Turks. Looks yummy, kuya. Super yummy talaga. Wow, lasang Turks. Thank you for watching. Hanggang muli. Paalam.